Have you ever thought that right now you're standing on a giant sphere suspended in space? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's true. Our Earth isn't stationary. It's rotating on its axis at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. At the same time, it's hurtling around the sun at nearly 108,000 kilometers per hour. Yet we feel nothing. No shaking, no being thrown around, no sensation of movement. That raises an interesting question. If the Earth is moving so fast, why are we still standing firmly on the ground? Why aren't the oceans spilling into space? Why don't people living on the other side of the globe fall down? For thousands of years, this was a great mystery to humankind. Our ancestors believed that Earth was the center of the universe. Many ancient civilizations believed that the world was supported by giant creatures or mystical forces. But then science came along, and the answer turned out to be both simple and astonishing. It all began with an invisible force, a force you can't see, can't grasp, but it's acting on every cell in your body. That force is gravity. Every time you jump, you fall. Every time an apple falls from a branch, it hurtles toward the ground. Every drop of rain falls from the sky. These seemingly ordinary things are actually evidence that gravity is constantly at work. It's like a giant, invisible thread holding everything on Earth together. Keep the Earth orbiting the sun, and keep billions of stars within galaxies. Without gravity, the universe would become a chaotic place. Everything would drift aimlessly in space. However, at the beginning of the 20th century, another scientist discovered that Newton wasn't entirely right. His name was Albert Einstein. Einstein argued that gravity isn't an invisible force. According to him, massive objects like the Earth or the Sun bend space and time around them. Other objects are simply moving along those curves. This idea was so strange that many people thought it couldn't possibly be true. But after many experiments and observations, Einstein proved it correct. Today, his theory is used in the GPS navigation systems we use every day. That means every time you open a map on your phone, you're using technology based on human understanding of gravity. It's amazing. A simple question about why we don't fall off the Earth led to discoveries that changed how humanity understands the universe. And perhaps that's the greatest thing about science. Every great discovery begins with a very small question. A question anyone can ask. Even you.